Okay, we're gonna do this song. Actually, so it is number 7. Auntie Judy, because if not, she'll throw things at us. She has. She threw her shoe. Missed me by like you threw it and you missed me on purpose because I know you're a good shot. But this is a song that was written by Squeeze Kamana a long time ago. And it's a beautiful song that we love so very much called Ku'upua Maiole. What's that? Oh yeah, it's from the new record, by the way.
See, when we play as a trio, everybody has their job to do, yeah. So when 2 guys are here, then we gotta figure out another part.
Then we gotta figure out, okay, what would Rich play? Okay.
So here we go. Hit it, Bob.
Okay, quiet, girl. Okay, so here's a song that we love, and for the record, I don't play it. Okay, I play it, but he starts it. So hope you guys enjoy. Just a beautiful song, Lil Kie Kie. It's called Ku'upua Maiole. A song that goes like this.